Hello, my name is Garrett, and I'm here today at Better Engineering to go over our Genesis line of Aqueous parts washers. Let's start with the G-500 unit right here.
Can you tell us a little bit about the function of the machine?
Certainly. So the G-500 is a 110 volt machine, so it plugs directly into the wall. The platform size is 24 by 14. It is a 17-gallon tank. It has 8 inches of immersion depth, and the tray itself can hold up to 35 pounds in weight.
So that sounds great, Garrett. So can you show us a little bit about how the functions of the machine work?
Absolutely. So over here we have the 3 switches for the light, the pump, and the heat, which turn the machine on and let it function fully. Once it's on, if you need to, you can manually scrub down your part as much as possible or as much as you need. Once there, you can release the latch and submerge the part into the bath. And then, if it's still necessary, you can turn on agitation to clean the part passively as somebody walks away and does something else.
So Garrett, are there any other optional features to the machine?
Yes, there are. So, we have a fresh rinse gun, which will allow you to rinse the part off after it's been submerged in chemistry. It attaches to an exterior water line. We also have a compressed air nozzle to blow off any water or any other liquids on the part to get it as dry as possible. In addition to those two, as an optional, we have the cabinet that it sits on, which can hold or store any chemistry, detergents, or anything else that is necessary for the proper functioning of the machine.
So tell us a little bit about the maintenance features on the machine.
So for maintenance, we have over here, we have an oil skimming system, which will allow you to remove oil from the bath and put it into an exterior container, which will help increase the longevity of the bath and keep the tank as clean as possible. We also have a tank drain. So once the tank becomes too dirty to be saved, you can dump the entire tank into an exterior container where you can dispose of at your own time and leisure and put in new, fresh detergent and water in to make sure that your parts are getting clean. And then lastly, there is a float switch over here, which if your water level ever gets too low, it'll automatically shut the machine off to prevent it from being damaged by having too low water.